What is going on? It's Mark Pires. I'm here on Sunday at 360 and 364 Laurel Road in New Canaan, Connecticut, on the market for $6,795,000. We're going to get into it again today, go down to the water, see if we can maybe get the fishing rod out and catch a trout or something. I'm not much of a fisherman. I don't want to spend too much time. If I could cast it out there and catch a quick one, we're good. We'll go. If not, we're doing something else here. This is Entertainment Central at 364 and 360 Laurel Road in New Canaan, Connecticut. So don't go anywhere. Stick around for the ride. Oh my gosh, that footage of the back was insane, right? Sometimes the time of day matters when you shoot your own footage, but that footage of the back of this property, let's go on the inside. So yesterday I made a reverse shot from about 15 feet away, probably not that big a deal, it didn't go viral or anything. But what about a half-court shot in reverse? One-handed, backwards, in reverse, nothing but net. Well, forget about the nothing but net, just make it, here we go. Ah!